Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about Autosteer and terminals. So we're getting to the point now, we're at the end of March. Guys are getting into the field in a few places, and in the next couple of weeks it's going to get fairly prevalent. What we'd like to remind you to do is go out and fire your tractors up and make an A-B line and make sure that the steering is working properly. Just refamiliarize yourself with it, but most importantly that there isn't some kind of a problem that happened to crop up over the winter, whether there was some corrosion in a wire or something went on from the cold. But fire it up, make an A-B line, make sure that that tractor steers up and down the line and that you're familiar with what to do there again. And then the other thing with your air seeders and planters, just fire up the monitors to make sure that there isn't something that happened. A lot of times if they sat in a tractor through the winter in the cold, there can be an issue. So just a little preventative maintenance there that will go a long ways when you want to go to the field. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.